AWS has a set of solutions to help you manage and optimize your spend in the AWS cloud, whether you start developing in the cloud from scratch or you are just starting your migration journey to the cloud. Each of these solutions is well designed and purpose-built. They can provide you the ability to track the consumption of shared AWS resources used by software applications and report granular cost breakdown across tenant base, can support the showback and chargeback workflows of AWS solution providers and enterprise customers, allow you to visualize, understand, and manage your AWS costs and uses over time, give you the ability to set custom budgets that alert you when your costs or uses exceed or are forecasted to exceed your budgeted amount, provide a single location for accessing comprehensive information about your AWS costs and uses, provide RI-specific cost management solutions out of the box to help you better understand and manage your RIs, and provide a flexible pricing model offering lower prices compared to on-demand pricing in exchange for a specific usage commitment measured in dollar per hour for a 1 or 3-year period. In short, AWS allows you to manage your spend and control your uses in the cloud from all possible perspectives. As a result, you can optimize your uses of resources and minimize spend in the AWS cloud.